Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
James, why are you lying?
Did you hear that?
Why are you
Fabio,
lying?
if you find a Filipino in this case, you better keep that. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to Billy Crawford, Filipina Girl.
Oh, okay.
Filipina.
Okay.
No,
so it's a song that goes Filipina Girl? It's called Filipina Girl?
Yeah. We have a lot of requests about this, so we have to do this because there's a lot of requests. Does not make sense what I just said.
It makes a lot of sense. Great.
Doing this tonight, and I'm excited what the hype is all about because there's a lot of requests. Anyway, before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Announcement. There's no announcement. Is there an announcement? No, there's no announcement. Nope, there's no announcement. So, subscribe to our channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
I'm curious to see if it's like a sort of Jollibee music video. Like with all this drama. Because
Okay,
Filipina Girl, obviously they're dramatic, I guess. I can come there.
Can you come?
Okay, and then look at the legs. I want to leave them out. Why don't you just do this instead? Always complicating my damn life. Come here, come there. It's so easy.
Okay, so let's begin.
We're already
Jesus
fighting.
Christ.
Thank God I have wine that saves me from this relationship.
Fabio is not helping at all in this
If
YouTube
anything
channel.
goes back,
He doesn't even talk.
If anything goes bad in this in your relationship, just buy wine and just go for it.
So he's suggesting to be an alcoholic. Yep. Good solution.
Better alcoholic than killing him, right? Otherwise, I'll go to prison. Music video.
Music video. I wonder what the hype is about.
Filipina Girl. Oh, with James Reid.
Hey. Sorry, I got
Pause
excited.
after the first note.
Who's
Are
that
you
girl?
serious? Hey, pause. Like, what the hell?
Sorry, okay. Hey, but can we do it again? Because I didn't start it properly. Nobody talks.
You know you did everything earlier, right? Okay.
We didn't clap.
You got my heart and you had it the first day we met. One look at you and
Pretty.
I look in your eyes and I'm watching the sunset.
Oh, I like
Look
that.
at the hair.
Oh, James Reid.
Oh, Nadine!
Oh, was it?
That was Nadine.
I was so focused on James.
That was Nadine.
Good as it gets, yeah. I look in your eyes and
Watch.
the sunset. I need
Is that his girl? Look at her.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she's always so pretty. Oh.
around you, girl, you got some kind of way.
Okay, this song is R&B good.
You, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
Oh. Who's Marcus Davis?
Ooh.
I feel like this song is all about boys that are dating girls.
I feel like it's an orgy is about to happen in this situation.
An orgy. It's a good song.
She's very pretty. Oh, and they're drinking.
They're having a meeting. Aww.
James' skin is so beautiful.
Oh, they're talking about dating a Filipino girl.
What? I mean, wow, genius. Really?
Sorry.
Wow.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my.
And the music videos portrays that because there are 3 guys dating 3 Filipinas. I'm so smart sometimes. Anyway, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Nadine.
look at them.
It's a box. It's very hype. Hey.
I like how cute they are. James and Nadine.
Can James sing? Oh, Nadine, it's so cute. I feel like we're only watching about Nadine here.
Yeah, I think so.
Look how pretty she is, though. Oh, that's James singing.
He's the one with a high pitch. But honestly, this song I don't really like.
Well, we all know Fabio only likes acoustics.
No, I mean, like I don't even understand what's the real voice. It's all like modified.
That's what I mean.
There
You
we
only
go.
like acoustic. Nadine is the prettiest of all the girls. Look how pretty she is.
Yeah, he has a very nice voice.
I can't stop smiling looking at Nadine. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? If
James,
you-
why are you lying?
Did you hear that?
Why are you
Fabio.
lying?
If you find a Filipino in this case, you better keep that. Where's my ring? Where's my wedding ring?
Let me drink.
Where's my wedding
Let me
ring?
drink.
If you find a Filipino, you better keep that.
I'm keeping you, boo.
Keeping where?
I'm keeping you under the bed. With the winter sheets.
Sheets! Un poco loco. I hate
James,
you. Can we
James's
play that
voice
again?
is so nice.
Can we play that part again?
Better kill it.
Better
Killer? I hear killer.
Bitch.
Nothing in this world. His lips are so plump. I just wanna kiss it.
If do you guys want us to make a video me asking Fabio what it's like dating a Filipino? Let me know in the comments because I'm curious what this song is saying why you should date a Filipino girl.
I don't want you to get offended though.
Oh, I love those drinks. Nadine is the prettiest. Sorry, the other girls. She's the prettiest to me. I'm becoming straight.
I'm really a big fan of this one with the red dress.
The red dress. She's
Yeah.
pretty.
Oh, and then night comes. There we go. Throw her off.
Aww.
So much for watching Filipina Girl. For more
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I didn't really hear the lyrics because I was watching at Nadine mostly and James. Nadine is the prettiest. She has the prettiest face. She's morena. That's the beauty of it. And yeah, what do you think of the song?
I don't like it. I didn't like it. It's not a song that I will keep in my playlist because I just don't like it.
I like it. Well,
No, come on, let's be real.
if you have been a subscriber here, you guys know that Fabio hates R&B.
I do not hate anything.
dance.
I do not hate. I dislike.
He only likes acoustic.
No.
One instrument and one instrument
This is
only.
not true.
Guitar. And maybe piano.
Piano.
That's
And
it.
violins.
That's it.
No, that's
So
not.
anything pop, anything R&B, he hates.
No, I just in a song I'm really looking for. It's okay to have some modified voice, but it cannot be like 80% of the song. I wanna hear your true voice.
Babe, that's what R&B is. I'm gonna slap you. You're so disgusting.
It's okay, Filipina girl. Come here. My goodness, you're so sweaty. What
It's
the hell?
hot in here.
Are you running or something?
Filipina girl. What did Mimi teach us?
Anyways, I didn't like it too much. I love James
Because you
Reid's
don't
song.
like R&B.
I like James
You don't
Reid's
like R&B.
voice.
And
Thank
his
you.
part.
And he
And-
slips
And
like this, very plump.
and you like his part. If you find a Filipina girl, you better keep that. Whatever he has to say.
Yeah, I like his part. His low part.
So, quick question. We're gonna make a whole video about this, but quick question, Fabio.
Quick question. Are you a chicken or something?
Quick
Jollibee?
question,
Come
Fabio.
kill him.
What's the best thing about dating a Filipino?
That's a tough question.
Thank
I
you
was
for
ex-
that wonderful question.
I was expecting this question. Like Beyonce video, Beyonce.
Pretty her.
The
Anyway,
best part about dating a Filipino is that you guys love food, and I do as well. So as you can see, Yani like really likes it, and we get along.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.
We
We'll
get-
see you all
I
next
wanna say more
time.
about this.
Bye, guys.